Hello children, today we will learn how to make an origami blue whale. What is origami? Origami is an art of folding paper. To make an origami blue whale, we need one blue color origami sheet and a black sketch pen. To start with, step 1. Fold the sheet diagonally to form a triangular shape. Then unfold it to form a crease. Now fold the sheet. It should line up with the crease. Repeat with the other side also, making a kite shape. Now fold the top tip down to meet the central line. And fold other side tips inwards. Then fold it in half. To make a tail, we will fold the tip upwards Now take a black sketch pen to draw eyes. And mouth to give facial features. Wow! Blue whale is ready to swim in the deep sea.